Here we are going to share with you the highlights of this week, the week of June the 20th through June the 23rd. Performance of the option trading strategy that we use here at Successful Trading. So we have a full load of it. So I'm just going to focus on the main one, starting with the first strategy on QQQ. On 3 consecutive days here, we are going to see how QQQ provide tremendous gains. So this was the 20th, the one that you are looking at. The chart we are sharing is the QQQ June 20th 367 puts, meaning this is same day expiration, and this contract was able to go from 63 cents to $2.45 at the time when this screenshot was captured. But later on, actually within 7 minutes on here, the contract went all the way to $3.15. This is over 400%. And here, let's look at the time on here. Each one of these candles represents 5 minutes, right? So the opening of the market on 620 is here. So this within the first, we have 6 candles here, 6 times 5 is 30. So within the first 30 minutes, this is what QQQ was able to pay out using the QQQ strategy that we have highlighted numerous times on this video channel. So that was on Tuesday. Then came Wednesday, the 21st. On the 21st, I think one of the events that was going on, the chair of the Fed chairman was speaking here from 9:30 Eastern. In a matter of these ones are 15 minutes, so an hour and 30 minutes. This contract went from 51 cents. The contract we're looking here are the 364 puts from 51 cents to $2 and 12 cents in a matter of 8 minutes. So another tremendous, actually went all the way to $3 here. Yeah, so you can see here 10.19 based on this timestamp here, 20 minutes from there. So another return of over 500% on QQQ option trading strategy. That wasn't done. Last but not least, just for QQQ on the 22nd, this was Thursday. Here actually I was sharing the charts of the stock itself first, folks. The QQQ 364 calls went from 22 cents, as I'm illustrating here. This is this you see here at the bottom, this specific one here. Okay, let me maximize it. It's coming from Webull. So here each one of the candles is 5 minutes, and in a matter of 50 minutes, because these are 10 consecutive candles here, 22 cents investment turned into $1.52. That's over 600% in 50 minutes. So in 3 consecutive days, here is how our option trading strategy on QQQ performed. So if that was not enough for us, let's go directly to the main part of here. I'm going even to skip the successful trading trade alerts themselves. Actually, that's not where I want to go. I want to go on here. So this was the watch list, but if I go in early in the week, which one were making money for us on here? So on the 21st, for instance, we can see on here Google, but that's not where I really want to go. Here's where I want to go. I want to focus onto what happened to this other option trading strategy we call here the Friday No-Wahala. All right, so by clicking on this channel on here, we'll be able to access that. So this is a strategy that, for those who do not know, I provide this strategy on Thursdays before the markets close. So on the 22nd on here, actually quite early here because the market wasn't moving that much, we provided these 3 contracts. So let me read them here. JD June 23rd, 37 calls going for 21 cents plus the 36 puts going for 12 cents. That was for JD. Then Mosaic June 30th, actually this is a typo here because being on the this is the typo is for Mosaic here, so this will mean June 23rd. Yeah. So there's 1 day expiration on here, the 34.5 puts and the 35.5 call. The total cost of this is a strong key for those option trading beginners, right? So 12 cents plus 18 cents, that's 30 cents. We will come back to the result. I'm reading this for a purpose. This strategy, we always trade them at this low cost. And then FCX June 23rd, 39.5 puts associated with the 40 calls going for 17 cents to form a stronghold that costs 40 cents, folks. So this stronghold costs 40 cents on Thursday at this time well before the market opened. The very next day, 5 minutes into the market being open, let's scan what was the value of the 39.5 puts just one side of this triangle. So in this case, they were trading at 70 cents bid, 82 cents ask. They actually went to a dollar. So if I go back here and I see the investment here on FCX was a total of 40 cents, folks. That's the investment on here. So sorry, my bad. I'm reading the 39. I was like, okay, the 39.5 puts going for 23 cents. This is what the cost was, folks. $1.27. Deep in the money, right? Because the stock is trading at this time is down minus 0.363%. So the stock is trading at 38.28. We have the 39.5 puts, so they were going for $1.27. The latest print here was $1.23. So if you remove 40 cents out of that, your profit out of the strangle, right? Because we spent 40 cents per strangle, so you can have multiple contracts. We teach this in our one-on-one coaching session on here. So imagine you had 3 contracts like this, or even 2 contracts for a total cost of $80 in real money, 80 cents in pricing, in option pricing, right? So you subtract your 40 cents out of this, so you end up with a profit of 80 cents on just one strangle. That's not bad at all. And this trade, literally all you had to do is to hold it overnight in less than, not even 24 hours, because between when the market closed and the next day, we have spent less than 12 hours overall. So this is hard, tremendous. The return on here are just per the puts. You can see a 10 bagger on here, obviously. So that was just one of them. The FCX one. Let's go to JD. So JD, an investment here is 33 cents overall, 21 cents on the call side of the strangle and 12 cents on the put side of the strangle. And where did that end up? Lord, oh Lord, still literally after the open. This is the option chain of JD. The 36 puts, we can see that there are puts here. The 36 put, the stock is down minus 4.4%. The 36 puts, they are going for, okay, $1.05 or so. So if you spend 30 cents investment based on this trade here, a 33 cents investment on here, you end up with over 70 cents of value, of profit in this case. So the 36 cents by themselves, they are 900% return. So these are the type of profit that the no wahala trade, this very simple option trading strategy for option trading beginners that we have been teaching. Last but not least, Mosaic here, an investment of 30 cents, because 12 cents on the call side, 18 cents on the put side. The 34.5 puts, they were worth at this time on here when I did the screen capture, 34.5, they were worth almost close. Actually, they went higher than that, because 51 cents on here. So yeah, you could actually made overall a good over 100% on the strangle as well. So this is how we spend the first week of the summer. So if you would like to learn more, go into the description and find out how you can get involved with the 10 bagger trading system and all of the features that come with it. Talk to you soon.